Welcome to How to Thrift Like a Pro. I'm gonna take you thrifting with me, give you some tips, and then a try on haul at the end. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's talk strategy for a second. It is a Wednesday at 10:40. Something about the thrift. It doesn't always matter the time you go, but normally right when they open is probably gonna be a little bit better. But you still want to make sure you have at least 2 to 3 hours set aside to thrift all day long. Ideally, you should have the rest of the day free when you start. As for inspo, it's the thrift store, so we got to keep an open mind. But of course, there's always a running list of stuff we're looking for. Hot take, you don't have to thrift for the seasons. Maybe if you have too much clothes already. But if there's a good enough winter coat in the summer, I'm going to be grabbing that. All right, let's pack our bag and get thrifting. Thank you. Thank you so much. You too. Okay guys, we're here. Time to lock in. I like to start with the shoes just because it's a little less overwhelming because everything's laid out in front of you. I found these Adidas. I was just intrigued with the colors. The shoe section really tells you what the theme of the Goodwill is gonna look like. This was looking pretty good. I was finding some cute things. I found these cowboy boots. I also was looking for hiking shoes and I found a pair of those, so I stuck those in the cart. And they had a lot of like early, 2000s little loafer and little flats and stuff. I feel like some of you guys might like those. They also had this pretty much brand new pair of Air Force Ones, $10, not bad. Moving on to bags, they did have some cute little Y2K moments, not gonna lie. I was honestly surprised with this thrift. I feel like I was having some good luck. Here's my cart so far. All right, we're gonna start in the jackets just because they're easy for me to look at. I'm looking for any fun necklines. I've been really liking these big buttons, like these are kind of cool. I really wanted to find a pinstripe blazer, thought that would be cute. And I did end up finding one, so I stuck it in the cart. Okay, time to get serious. Here's my best tip, is you have to look through every single item. You gotta sort through the ugly stuff. I know it's annoying, but that is why you guys aren't finding cute things, is because you need to just not give up. Don't get bored and jump around too much, just keep looking through that same rack. I found this Adidas jacket. I thought I liked it. It's almost what I'm looking for, but it's like a size large, so too big. And also it's a little bit modern. I didn't get it on video, but I did find this lime green Adidas jacket. Look at this, oh my gosh. With the black stripe and the black logo, I'm so obsessed. Added to the cart immediately. Guys, look at this. This clip is not sped up. This is how fast I'm actually looking through these items. I know what I'm looking for. I know when to go past the ugly stuff. I thought this might be a cool little coat, little cover-up thing, maybe? It was $3, so I decided to try it on. I also found this shirt I was interested in. I don't know why I didn't try it on. Looking back, it's cute. Here we got some more cute buttons. Love it. $12 though. Here's this shirt. I feel like some of you guys might like this. Kind of cute. Okay, it's getting to me. I'm getting tired. We have to move to the jackets. I found this cool one. I don't know this brand, but I kind of wish I got this because I really like the details, and the red is just cool. I found some cool jackets. It takes a lot for me to buy a jacket, and they're normally like $15, so it has to be absolutely perfect. I don't know why I like this Eddie Bauer one. I just kind of like the idea of a big trench coat. The buttons got me. Okay guys, moving on to pants. I did try on these green pants, spoiler alert. But if you're gonna skip something, let it be pants or jeans. That might be a hot take, but a lot of times you get really bored of looking at the same pair of jeans over and over again. Again, if you're pro thrift mode, you will sit there and look through every single pair, but sometimes you just can't. Sometimes you just don't have the time. The store is too full. I moved on to dresses. This little set someone sewed was in there, cute. This dress, oh my gosh, from the 90s, right in the cart. Thought this was cute. And you know, I did sit here and go through everything. Honestly, I was getting very tired and like didn't know what to film, didn't know what was cute anymore. So go ahead and fast forward like a minute for the try on, but if you want to see me flipping through some racks, here you go. Okay, I've been here for like 2 hours. It's definitely time to try stuff on. Here's why it's so important to try it on at the thrift, even if you feel awkward. Here's me feeling ripped in this shirt. I thought it was gonna be a lot looser, but look, tight, don't love. Okay, this is mainly stuff I didn't get. The blazer, oh my gosh, the pinstripe, like, no. I didn't even realize that it was like falling apart also. So this is a lesson. And then here's that little thing I thought would be cute. She's looking boxy. But you know what, don't worry, we did find cute stuff, I promise. I'm just showing you the things that I didn't get mainly here. This tank top, I actually wish I did get it. It's cute, I like the length. This little button up, I love these double buttons. That was super interesting. Giving pirate slightly, but I low-key wish I grabbed this one. Another one you would expect to fit perfectly, but guess what? The back was slightly loose, like the shoulders were kind of flooping weird. So that's why it's important to try it on. Then I just wanted to show this so you guys believed me that I thrifted it. These cute pink sweatpants that I grabbed. And then look, I found this Nike sports bra that I really want to wear with the pants. I think that'd be cute, right? Okay, hiking boots didn't go well for me. They were just so worn in and like I didn't like how the toe looked. And then these other loafers were cute for a second. Like it was giving 90s, but they were too big. I can't sit here and lie to myself. Oh my God, we freaking did it. $38. That's another way you know a thrift trip was successful. You didn't spend under or over $100. That's always the goal, because I'm still walking out of there thinking that, or feeling like I saved a lot of money. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you. I've worn this shirt at least 4 times since I bought it. That's how long it's taken me to edit this. But here's my go-to outfit with the shirt. Okay, horrible angle. Let me fix that. Here's the outfit I'm wearing with this shirt. I love the color. Love the stripes, little boots, little half up, half down. Yeah, it's just perfect. I'm so happy that it's not fully cropped because I need less of that nowadays and more of a, you know, like not a huge t-shirt, but just a cute little normal size t-shirt. I love it. Success. I already got my money's worth from the amount of times I've worn this shirt. Also behind me, you guys know I always make my bed, okay? This is not a normal occurrence. Who is that? Did you unmake my bed? Hi, I look really short now. You just saw one of the shirts I got, but I thought I'd show you the rest of the stuff. I mean, that's probably what you want to see, right? Okay, I'm gonna try some of the stuff on, but some of it I tried on at the thrift and you'll see. I got this white North Face. Honestly, I'm not sure why I got this. It was $9, not worth it. But I thought it would be a cute little gym cover up, you know? Should I try it on? Sure, I'll try it on, fine. See, nothing crazy, just a simple t-shirt. I like the monochromatic nature of it, the white on white. Next, I got these green pants for some reason. I guess I was just drawn to the fact that they seem like they're old. They seem like they're 90s vibe, made in Bangladesh. And I was happy that they were short, because I am also short. But this green color is a little out there for me. They do have those buttons. You know how I was saying I like little statement buttons? Maybe for office job, but right now I don't know. This is probably the one thing I could have gone without, but hey, there's always that one thing when you go to the thrift. Okay, now I need to try on that little set that I made up with these sweatpants and this sports bra. Okay, let's see if the colors actually match. Whoop. Cute, right? Sorry, I'm like looking at what I look like. Okay, I find it funny. This angle is crazy. It's 9 o'clock at night, okay? This is what we're working with. But she's cute. The top is slightly stretched, damaged, like the little logo. But you know what? This is cute, and you cannot tell me otherwise. I am happy about it. Maybe that angle is a little better. I just look so far away. Oh my gosh. Cute. So worth it. So worth it. And then guys, I don't have time to do all this. I don't have time to style how I wanted to, but I'm just going to show you this jacket. It's so cute. I do wish it was a little smaller. Yeah, it's a, what size? Small. Obviously pink and green. Not quite the vibe, but can you see the vision a little bit? Okay, yeah, if we hide the green, like, do you see the vision? If not, that's okay. But this jacket makes me happy, so that's all that matters. I just love the black stripe. Okay, lastly, this dress. This dress, it's gotta be 90s. Look at the tag. Gotta be. I gotta wear it with some type of heel. Here it is, just how it is. Cute, right? With the little boot, right? And it's like this polyester, but when polyester was actually cool, or it's like nylon, I don't know. It's just so pretty. It gives me Friends fantasy, right? But also, okay, when I did this, I was mad because I don't know if I'm gonna get it tailored. Bro, if this was snatched, it would be so freaking cute. It would be so cute like this. So that made me a little sad, but it's definitely cute like this, okay? I'm trying to get out of my comfort zone and wear dresses. I think I could probably maybe pull this off in like a casual way. Hey. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found some tips to go to the thrift. I hope you have a wonderful thrift trip after this. Hopefully you go within the next couple days. Let me know if you find anything good. Also, this video took me 3 weeks to edit. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry about that. But fun update, I am moving. So stay tuned for some amazing, crazy apartment moving, packing videos. More outfit videos, more thrifting. Okay, get ready. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.